Okay, we are looking at microwave ovens rotating at a rate about 6 revolutions per minute. What is the angular velocity in radians per second? So what we want to do is first, let's just kind of look at this equation and realize that this is kind of like distance or amount of angle. And this is angular velocity, or kind of similar to velocity, and this is multiplied by time. And it reminds me of the equation distance equals velocity multiplied by time. Okay, so what we want to do first is we're looking for angular velocity. So let's divide both sides by t. That way what we can get is the angular velocity, which is theta over t. Now let's do kind of a preliminary problem here and find the, if we did 1 revolution per minute, what would omega be? Okay, so omega, and this is just a preliminary problem, we're not solving the problem right now. Omega is 1 revolution, so theta is gonna be 2 pi, that's 1 revolution. Remember, 360 degrees equals 2 pi. Radians. Okay. And then what we have here is over time. So 60 seconds in 1 minute. So 60 seconds. But what we're trying to solve for is, instead of 1 revolution per minute, this is 1 revolution right here, we want 6 revolutions per minute. So let's go ahead and alternate for that. So omega is theta over time. So omega is going to be 6 revolutions, 6 times 2 pi radians in 60 seconds. Okay, so then we have 12 pi radians over 60 seconds. So we need to simplify for this one. I'm just going to go ahead and use my calculator. $12 times 3.14. I got 37.68. Now I'm going to divide it by 60. I got 6.28. 0.628 radians per second.